In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix line type not visible in AutoCAD. If your dashed, dotted, or center lines are showing up as solid, or you can't see the pattern at all. The most common cause is the line type scale being set too big or too small for your drawing. Line type scale controls the size of the dashes and gaps relative to your drawing units. Think of it like a zoom for the pattern itself. When the scale is too large, each dash and gap is stretched so far that the pattern looks like a long continuous line. When it's too small, the dashes and gaps are packed so tightly that they blur together and also appear solid. The good news is, this is quick to fix. Here's the simple approach. Go to the command line, type LTS, and press Enter. This opens the setting for the global line type scale. AutoCAD will prompt you for a new value. You can enter a number like 1.1 or 10 to start. If you're not sure where to begin, try 1 first. Press Enter to apply it and take a look at your lines. If the pattern is still not readable, adjust again. If the pattern looks too stretched out or you can barely see breaks, reduce the number. Go from a 1 to 0.5 or 0.1 for a stronger change. If the pattern still looks continuous and you can't make out the dashes, you likely need to go smaller. On the other hand, if the dashes are tiny and tightly packed, increase the number. Go from 1 to 2, 5, or even 10. A helpful method is to double or halve the value to move quickly towards something readable, then fine-tune with smaller increments. There isn't a single perfect number for every file, because it depends on the units and the overall size of your drawing. Large site plans often need larger values. Small mechanical parts often need smaller ones. What you're aiming for is a pattern that's clear at the typical zoom level where you'll be working and plotting. Remember, you're not changing the line weight or the color. You're only resizing the pattern of dashes and gaps. If one value doesn't do it, don't worry. Just keep increasing or decreasing the LTS value until the line pattern looks right. A few quick adjustments are normal, and you'll usually find a sweet spot within a handful of tries. That's all it takes. Type Alt, enter a value, and nudge it up or down until your line types are visible and legible. Once you find a good setting, your dashed and center lines should display exactly as intended.